Bongo Khoza, Ayanda Buroto, Nelsiwe Spear, Noluthando Ngema and Siphosethu Mabaso are set to star on a brand new drama series that is coming on Mzansi Magic called Ithonga. So, let us talk about that and more here on this video, but before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So, enjoy this video. Mzansi Magic has introduced a show that will replace Umkhokha the Curse, since we all know that the show has come to an end. And for those who don't know, Umkhokha's last episode will air on the 28th of February, Friday. Then on Monday, the 3rd of March, we are going to be introduced to a brand new drama series called Ithonga. Now, of course, Umkhokha fans will not be pleased by the news, and I'm one of those fans. I mean, I felt like Umkhokha and Isibaya were the best Zulu telenovelas to ever come out of this country. So, knowing that there's a new show that is coming to replace Umkhokha, of course, I will have that attitude towards this show. And I will continue with this attitude until this new show proves to be interesting. And Umkhokha fans are not the only people who are not happy about this. I've noticed that people from other tribes are not happy as well with the fact that Mzansi Magic keeps on bringing Zulu shows, which is understandable. I mean, how many telenovelas are there on Mzansi Magic that are in Setswana, Tshivenda, or isiSotho? Look, I'm not a tribalist, if that is a correct word to use, but I think having many Zulu shows can be a disadvantage. They end up giving us the same storyline. I mean, there's always gonna be Izinkabi, Amabhinqa, the taxi violence, you know, those kinds of storylines, which means they're repeating one and the same story over and ever again. I loved Umkhokha because everything there was centered around the church and its musical. Yes, it ended up repeating the same story, but even then, it was still enjoyable and unique, you know? I hope you guys are getting what I'm trying to explain here. But anyway, this video is not about Umkhokha, it's about this new show that I'm talking about. So, as I've mentioned, the name of this new show, ladies and gentlemen, is Ithonga. And for those who don't know, Ithonga is an ancestor, and the main character there is Bongo Khoza, playing two characters like he did on the Red Ink. There's Ayanda Buroto as well, Nelsiwe Spear, Noluthando Ngema, and Siphosethu Mabaso. And of course, there are plenty of other actors who are not yet revealed. And yes, they are going to reveal more characters as the premiere comes closer. So, the show is about twin brothers Ubanele and Sanele, and these twin brothers are two different bodies, one in the light and one in the shadows, but regardless of their different paths, their souls stay connected. And other than these twins, the show brings on a thrilling drama about love and brotherhood. Honestly, Bongo Khoza did very well playing two characters on Red Ink, so I'm waiting to see how he's going to perform on this one. Yes, Bongo Khoza's acting is great, we can't question that, but then anything is possible. Oh, what I forgot to mention about this show was that it is produced by Cheza Pictures, so I really hope Paruchetso Makwarela and Gwydin Benon will do better with this one. I don't like what they did with Champions and Gqeberha the Empire. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll chat more about this show as more information is being revealed. And with all of that being said, this is the end of this video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching the video. Let's engage again on the next one.